Oh!
And wait, because you...
Michael. This smells horrible. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Like little flames coming out with... I'll do it over the bucket.
That's fine. You're doing great. You have a little bit left, okay?
And this is flying.
It's a cool one.
Flames.
Those seem to be the
Okay,
only
I think it's done.
That's fine. Good job.
Fun!
Woo! Good. It's just a rocket.
Look at the cat. No, no, no. Ah! Shoot.
Cool!
Oh, my God.
Look, look, look.
Okay, go, Dad, come on. No, it's a big one.
We're on. You better run. You better watch where it's...
Mom, here, don't mind.
Just watch it. You have to watch.
You
watch.
have to videotape.
Look, look, look.
Oh, that's it? Oh, sweet.
It's called Rose. Lord knows what it does.
Yeah, it probably blows up at the end and we'll all be blind.
I think it's just like, woo, you know what I mean?
It's cool. It's gonna go. There it goes.
I'm not going near it. Katie, we don't know. That's why we're hiding.
You hold it?
It's a floral display.
I like it a lot.
Goody, you better look. Don't go near it. Oh, God.
It's gonna be awesome.
Put the crazy bumblebees ones on.
Sweet. Oh my, that's awesome. Oh, looks like.
Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that
The
one.
bees are dying. Whoa!
Cool.
That's awesome.
Cool.
Until the farm burns down.
Boom. Okay, I think we're good.
That.
Cool one.
Got it?
Okay.
Ah. Oh, is it? Not really, kinda. Okay, it's good enough.
Run!
For the movie.
What do you mean?
This way. Sweet.
Where's the other?
I don't know. I only heard...
Quiet, everybody. It's just a parachute.
There he is.
Ah, there it goes. It's going. No, don't get it, Kate. Let him get it. Let him get it. Let him get it.
Now the parachute is just flying. He was shot in the air.
Let Dad get it. Let Dad get it, Kate.
I'm getting it.
No, it doesn't have a man on it, honey. Don't go in there. There's poison in there.
It's fine. It's just a piece of paper. It will be fine. Okay?
That was.
It's a parachute guy.
There it goes. Ah, there it is, right there.
He's coming. Good. The other one didn't go off. I couldn't get it lit in time.
There it goes.
I'll get it.
No, Dad, get it, Dad. Kate, stop it.
Hey, watch out, baby. Get back.
There it goes. Don't get it, Kate. No, it's going the wrong way.
Only one really did good.
What the heck? Hey, Michael, did you happen to notice that Kate painted this side of the barn?
No. Good fire in the air.
Oh, crikey!
Whoa.
It got caught in the tree.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What, honey?
You might want to step back.
That last one was crazy.
I didn't want it to, like, because it kind of came back at us.
Oh yeah! Yes! Awesome!
Do the big one! Big one!
There it goes, there it goes.
Cool.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, you know what's nice about those? They're not loud.
No, they just kind of blow up. Are you doing an army man, dude? What's your problem? You.
They're traumatized.
Oh.
Sweet, that was awesome.
God, what was that? What was that?
That
Function thing?
That was the rocket itself. What's that?
Same thing.
They're behind.
There goes the rocket, and there goes the other thing.
I like the parachute guys.
Yeah, I do too. Those were our favorite last year.
Rose Hill Farm. Fireworks 2008.
Detonation.
Grand finale. Everybody is running because they're afraid. Okay, I didn't get it. Where'd it go? Where is it?